I'm there also. I just been order your products. The company, Shopee, TikTok, I've been order your products. You know, you see it also my post before. Yes, I've been order your products. I've been using your products. Because for me, and I order color my hair. I love color my hair, red color, you know, red rose color. And I order lotion for make me whitening. I order glutathione to make me white. As a woman, for me, it depends to the woman. But for me, for myself, I decide I want to be happy. I want to see myself beautiful looking.